You know. Today we shall study about an integrated circuit in semiconductor electronics, the conventional method. Of making circuits is to choose components like diodes, transistor, RLC, etc. and connect them by soldering wires in the desired manner. In spite of the miniaturization introduced by the discovery of transistors, such circuits were still bulky. Apart from this, such circuits were less reliable and less shock proof. The concept of fabricating an entire circuit consisting of many passive components like RNC and active devices like diode and transistor on a small signal block or chip of a semiconductor has revolutionized the electronics in technology. Such a circuit is known as integrated circuit IC. The most widely used technology is the monolithic integrated circuit. The monolithic is a combination of two Greek words, monos means single and lithos means a stone. This in effect means that the entire circuit is formed on a single silicon crystal or chip. The chip dimensions are as small as 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter, or it could even be smaller. Figure 1 shows a chip in its protective plastic case, partly removed to reveal the connections coming out from the chip to the pins that enable it to make external connections depending on the nature of input signals. ICs can be grouped in two categories, linear or analog IC. Second is digital IC. The linear IC process and analog signals which change smoothly and continuously over a range of values between a maximum and minimum. The output is more or less directly proportional to the input. It varies linearly with the input. One of the most useful linear ICs is the operational amplifier. The digital IC process signals that have only two values. They contain circuits such as logic gates. Depending upon the level of integration, it means the number of circuit components or logic gates. The ICs are termed as a small scale integration. SSI logic gates are smaller than 10. Medium scale integration, MSI logic gates are smaller than 100. Large scale integration gates, LSI is smaller than 1000. And very large scale integration, VLSI logic gates are greater than 1000. The technology of fabrication is very involved, but large scale industrial production has made them very inexpensive. The figure is shown in 1. Now, the faster and smaller future of computer technology, the integrated chips is at the heart of all computer systems. In fact, ICs are found in almost all electrical devices like cars, television, CD player, cell phone, etc. The miniaturization that made the modern personal computer possible could never have happened without IC. ICs are electronic devices that contain many transistor, resistor, capacitor, connecting wire all in one package. We have heard of the microprocessor. The microprocessor is an IC that processes all information in a computer. Microprocessor is an IC, the process of all information in a computer, like keeping track of what keys are pressed, running programs, games, etc. The IC was first invented by Jack Kilke at Texas Instrument in 1958, and he was awarded Nobel Prize for this in 2000. ICs are produced on a piece of semiconductor crystal by a process called photolithography. Thus, the entire information technology industry hinges on semiconductor over the years. The complexity of IC has increased while the size of its feature continued to shrink in the past 5 decades. In the past 5 decades, a dramatic miniaturization in computer technology has made modern-day computers faster and smaller. In the 1970, Gordon Moore, co-founder of Intel, pointed out that the memory capacity of a chip approximately doubled every 1.5 years. This is popularly known as Moore's Law. The number of transistors per chip has risen exponentially, and each year computers are becoming more powerful and cheaper than year before. It is intimated from current trends that the computer available in 2022 will operate at 40 GHz and would be much smaller, more efficient, and less expensive than present-day computers. The explosive growth in the semiconductor and computer technology is best expressed by a famous quote from Gordon Moore: "If the auto industry advances as rapidly as the semiconductor industry, a Rolls-Royce would get 500,000 miles per gallon, and it would be cheaper to throw it away than to park it."